Hi, my name is James and I'm from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for a double roller blind within a recess. To measure up, you're only going to need 4 things: a pen or pencil, a piece of paper, a steel tape measure for accuracy, and your smartphone, tablet or computer to upload your measurements straight to our website. For a recess fitting blind, please measure your window recess exactly. We always recommend measuring the width and the height of the window recess in multiple places, quoting the smallest measurements when ordering. The length of the bracket is 12 centimetres, so we recommend allowing for at least a minimum of 18 centimetres clearance once your blinds are installed. This is important, for example, if you have windows that tilt and turn inwards. Please bear in mind when measuring a roller blind within a recess that your fabric will be 35mm shorter than the measurements you give us on our website. This is to accommodate for the brackets.